Hi guys, I'm in what looks like a movie theater. I've not been in a movie theater in ages. We are actually in KLPAC for the launch of the new A-Class Sedan CKD. So yeah, locally assembled, probably going to be cheaper than it used to be before. So let's see what's in store for us for the rest of the day. So as expected, Mercedes-Benz Malaysia has launched the A-Class Sedan, locally assembled. We have two variants, the A200 progressive line that starts about 211,000 ringgit. And then we have the A250, this one is A250 AMG line, that's about 240,000 ringgit. But as you can see behind me, there are not one but two cars. The big surprise is the GLA, also locally assembled. And that one starts about 230 over 1,000 for the GLA 200 progressive line, and just like the A-Class, we have the 250 AMG line, and that one is just under 270,000 ringgit. So just a little bit more accessible, a little bit more affordable. What do you think? So we've come to the end of the event. Now, just to recap, in case you may have forgotten, the 200 models run on a 1.3 litre engine, and the 250 bigger, more exciting, more powerful 2 litre engine. So if you want more details on the GLA or the A-Class Sedan, the locally assembled models, do head over to topgear.com.my. I will see you in the next video because I got to run for something else. Bye!